Hello and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trying the Morphe James Charles palette. I know it's been out for a few months and I've been trying to get a hold of it, but every time I go to Ulta it's sold out, and until today. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited that I can finally try it. I want to try a spring look, so bright color, and I'm thinking yellow as a primary color. And yeah, and I could use any color that I want because this baby right here has every color that I would need. So let's open her up. So I already did my face off camera, so if you want to see how I did that, you can click on one of my other videos, or you can just tell me in the comment section and I'll do a face makeup video. To begin this look, I'm going to be using this eye cream Clinique, so just that. I'm going to apply this on my lids to prime my eyes and avoid patchiness. I'm going to begin this look using the shade Tune, so is this one right here, and I'm going to apply this on my crease. So next I'm going to use the shade Code James, which is this one right here, and put it on my crease, all over my crease. So this one. So let's do that. Next, I'm going to grab this transition shade, Punch Me and Canvas. So I'm going to mix both of them together. And I'm just going to do that just to blend the colors. Okay, next I'm going to go in with Code James again, just to add, deepen up the color in the middle. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to grab T over here. I'm going to apply this on the outer corner of my eye just to add smokiness. So next I'm going to go with a transition color again, just to make sure that everything looks blended. And it's gonna put it on the outside, that dark, deeper color. Next, I'm going to use a darker color just for the outer corner. I'm going to use a smaller brush just to be more precise because these shadows are very pigmented. So I'm just gonna go here. Just a little bit. That was a lot. I think this is good enough. Alright, but I obviously have to blend it out. So next I'm going to be using a concealer just to create a soft cut crease so that I can apply the yellow. And I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my eyelid. Actually, I'm going to use a brush to apply so there's more precision. So I'm going to be using this yellow shade right here. It's called B. I'm going to use B and apply that on my lid. Wow. I'm going to go in with my transition color. I'm just going to apply this under my eye. I'm going to move on to Co James and I'm going to apply that under my lids. And next I'm going to move on to T. This one right here. I'm gonna apply this under my lid. That's gonna be my final one. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put eyeliner, put the mascara on, and that's it. So I'll be right back. So I put my eyeliner on and I put a little bit of highlighter just in case I did not record, because I don't know what's happening with my camera. Now I'm gonna go with the mascara from Flower Beauty. I love the combination of the yellow eyeshadow and the pink lipstick. I think it's so beautiful. It's so fun. I want to go out to brunch and wear a dress and all of that. I love it. Now I have lipstick on my teeth. But if you want to tone it down and wear it to work, maybe I'm going to try a more neutral lip color, more nude. So let's see how that looks, and for now I'm just going to remove this lipstick and I'll be right back. And this is it. This is my final look. I'm just going to leave it at this with the new lipstick. I absolutely loved how it turned out. The yellow, I loved it. What can I say about the James Charles palette? I'm so happy that I finally got it, and I cannot wait to use the rest of the colors and just play around with different combinations and keep unleashing my inner artist. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like this video, comment in the comment section, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.